Hello, Needle Pointers wants to show you a fun project Lego-loving kids can make, an easy Lego pen and pencil holder. What a wonderful gift for Dad or Mom as a Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, or birthday gift. The Lego holder can hold more than just pens and pencils. It can be used to hold rulers, scissors, markers, and it even has room to store a memo pad or scrap paper for writing notes. Kids can make this do-it-yourself pen and pencil holder with Lego pieces they already have lying around the house. So it is a cute, easy, and inexpensive craft. With Legos you already have at home, gather up some Lego plates and some Legos that are 2 by whatever length you have. For my pencil holder project, I am using a combination of 2 colors of Lego bricks, black and white. The holder can be made in any color combination, or a colorful pencil holder can be made by using multiple colors. To make the base of the pencil and memo pad holder, attach together plates so that it measures 12 studs by 14 studs. The pencil holder will be placed on one side of the base plate and consist of 10 rows of bricks. The memo holder will be placed on the other side and is 6 bricks high. Let's begin by building the pencil holder. With your bricks, build 1 row of the first color, 10 studs across, making sure that when you place the bricks, wherever there is a joining piece, make sure that the brick overlaps it. Continue to build a rectangle on the one side. The first row is complete. For row number 2 and 3, I'm going to use my second color of bricks. Continue building all the way around with the second color. And you're going to do this row and another row. 3 rows are complete. For the 4th row, go back to the first color that you used and build again a row all the way around. The 4th row is complete. For row 5 and 6, again use the second color. For row 7, you will be using the first color. Row 8 and 9, again the second color. And for row 10, it would be the first color that you used, and in my case it would be black. So I'm going to continue to build my pencil holder, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's completed. The pencil holder side is complete. Now we're going to make the memo pad side. What you're going to be doing is putting a wall on these two studs, and you're going to do it 10 studs. So there'll be an empty one here and an empty one at the end. So, and also you're going to use the same color combination that you used before. So I started with black, so I'm putting my first row is going to be black. And this wall is going to be 6 bricks high. So just continue to build it. And when I get it finished, I'll let you see what it looks like. I've finished the memo pad wall, as you can see here. And now it's ready to put in the pens and pencils, markers, rulers, whatever you need to store. And it has a place to put your memo pad. I hope you liked this Lego pencil and memo pad holder video. Keep up with needle pointers by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter. To follow us, click the link in the description section. If you are on Pinterest, save our projects. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite kids' crafts. Visit Kids Corner on our website for lots of other free projects and tutorials for kids.